Hi, I'm Maria Richards, Immigration Litigation Attorney here at Jia Law Group. Today I want to briefly talk to you about a new policy change with USCIS in regards to conditional permanent residence. A conditional permanent resident is a non-citizen who obtained permanent resident status based on a marriage that began less than 2 years prior to obtaining that status. What that means is a person who is adjusting their status based on a marriage to a U.S. citizen who's been married less than 2 years gets a conditional permanent resident card. At the 2-year mark of that anniversary of that card, of issuance of that card, the applicant can request that the conditions be removed and it just become a legal permanent resident card. Previously, in order to do that, USCIS required every applicant to go through an interview process. Now, USCIS will be evaluating the evidence that they receive, and if the evidence supports that this was a bona fide marriage, that it's not based on fraud or misrepresentation, it was and still is a real marriage, then there will be no need for that interview process. So this will probably speed up the time between the application to remove the conditions and the actual acceptance or approval of that application. So this is one of the reasons why it's so important that you contact an experienced law firm who can help you and knows what documents, what evidence is needed to submit so that you are able to waive this process. And if you are a conditional permanent resident who is thinking about or ready to apply to remove your conditions, give us a call so we can do an evaluation of your case.